What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to be replacing the air filter in a second-gen Toyota Tacoma. That's 2005 to 2015, maybe. I could be wrong. What you need is that Tacoma, the air filter, that's a model number 3052HP, and a small little screwdriver. Now, let's go replace it. Well, here we have the passenger glove box, and behind that is where we are going to find the air filter. So remove everything out of your glove box. We've got everything out. Now move yourself to the passenger side because we want to be looking in over there. Well, as you can see right here, there's a little clip that's holding a little strut, and then you pull this, pull that, pull up. There we go. So as you can see, there's just an open hinge mechanism that sits right here, and this poker and this poker rest and block right here. So by simply depressing the interior, it'll pop right out. And this is a lot simpler than it looks. You just pop that out. And this is the first time I've done this. Not one of those people that pre-does all their videos. Oh goodness, and that's why we're replacing this. This is just right full of stuff. Gross. Gross. Toss that to the side. Crack open our new filter. Now there should be an arrow on this. There is. You want the arrow facing down because the air flows from top to bottom. So air flows down. That's why all the stuff was stuck. That's why all the junk was on the top here, because the air flows down, sucks from the inside. So, close that back up. Put our hinges on the bottom back on. Depress this. It's hooked on there. Now we're taking our little screwdriver. This is probably the most difficult part of the whole thing. And we have our glove box and a clean air filter. Very important in these days of sick people and fires and smoke. Well, remember guys, if some guy can do it, remember to like, subscribe, comment, leave your thoughts, questions, and I'll see you guys around next time.